In today's video, we'll learn how to create the Super 8mm film look for your videos using Canva. The first thing that you want to do is to create a new project in Canva, and then we'll make our background black. Once you make it black, you want to go over to the Elements section and then type Frames. You'll want to select this rectangle frame and then resize it over your project. The next step that we have to do is to click on this border style option and then set the corner rounding to a 100%. We want the corners to be rounded like this, so just drag the slider all the way to the right side. It's time to add the video to our project. I've already uploaded the video in the Canva upload section, so I'll just drag it to my project and then make sure that you put the video inside the frame. And the last and very important step that we have to do is to add the film overlay in order to achieve that Super 8mm film look. Click on the Elements section at the left side and then search for Film Overlay. Tap on the Video section, and then we'll select this specific video. It has this Super 8 look and feel to it, and we have to put it over the whole video. The last step in this tutorial is to select the transparency option at the top, and then set the value for the transparency to around 25 or 30, whatever works the best for you. And we've created the Super 8mm film look using Canva. Thanks for watching and enjoy!